So now you've created dashboards and stories, and it looks like we're ready to publish to the Tableau public server, which will then allow you to generate embed code or a link that you can use to embed into your Google site or share a link with somebody who may be interested in your work. So you want to have your pages or the names of your screens labeled as you want them to be viewed when you publish, and you want things to be in the order that you want your end product to be in. So I'm going to scooch over my usage by time story to fall right behind that dashboard. So now I've got the room usage dashboard, the room usage story, dashboard story. And then you want to have the active screen be the one that you want to default to when you're ready to publish, or so that your viewers will be on the page that you intend them to see first. So things look pretty good. So the next thing you want to do is go up to server. I'm already signed into my Tableau public server, and so I'm going to say publish workbook, and I get this error message. It says data extract required. That generally happens to me, and it just is a good reminder that I need to go back and do a couple extra steps. So I'm going to say OK. And now I'm going to go up in the top ribbon to data. I see this is the name of my data source, study room reservations. And I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to say extract data. And I'm going to say extract again. Sorry, that went pretty fast. What you're doing is creating a point-in-time picture of your data set, which doesn't matter a great deal now, but if you had a data set that you continue to add to every month or every week or every day even, then you would need to create those new extracts. So we've just created that extract. It just happened very easily. So now we can go back to server, and I'm going to say publish workbook again. And now this is the name, what we want it to be called on our Tableau public. I'm just going to call mine library study room reservations. And I'm going to say save. I've already experimented in this venue, so mine says a workbook named this already exists. Do I want to overwrite it? And I do, so I'm going to say yes. That means a lot of times I publish workbooks, and then I go back and make some changes, and then I just overwrite it. It's kind of like save as and save as, like if you're in a word processing. So now it's working, connecting to the server, saving our workbooks. In a minute, it's going to open up the dashboard on the Tableau public server. So I'm going to just close this pop-up window, take a quick look at my work, make sure I like how it looks, and I do. So now if you scroll down towards the bottom, you can see this little share icon. If you click on that, you can get an embed code and you can get a link. So hold tight. On the next tutorial, I will show you how to embed that code into your Google site.